yo, perish. This shit hot, boy.
She know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint of the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Whip ain't fast enough. You talk too much shit, but don't back it up. Shoot her on deck if you tryna get bagged up. It's broken boy, bitch, I don't need to throw rags up. I put that on my mama. High tech sipping got me sweating like a sauna. Acting like a bitch when you fuck with the drama. It's only 2 pops, little boy, then you were gonna. Yeah, broken, goated up. Pop my cape and run it up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. At the end of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a dime to the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint to the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. How you let a pump boy get this big? I ran it up, bitch, I'm Canadian, I'm good with the sticks. I'm 5'5", a little boy still a midget to me. It's cause I'm on this shit, little bitch, I made it to the big league, yeah. Broken, goated up, pop my cape and run it up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. At the end of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a dime to the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint to the codeine. The shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. More drugs inside my stomach. Even though I keep on running, I still end up on wanted. Miss Benzos with Cody, I feel like I be floating. I'm dying and they know it, only see what I'm showing. More money, more problems, more drugs inside my stomach. Even though I keep on running, I still end up on wanted. Miss Benzos with Cody, I feel like I be floating. I'm dying and they know it, only see what I'm showing. They don't know what I've been through to get here. So I started making my own decisions. I made a plan, I stuck to my vision. When everyone else quit, I stay here persistent. Even my friends say that all my shit, I'm standing up while you sitting down bitching. I don't reply, they call me to go. Oh, trust me, little bitch, I done made my position. I don't do this for the fame or the clout. Honestly, rather my name at your mouth. All out fame in the north and the south. Okay, there's a minute, we doing good now. Shout out to me, wanna switch to the team. There ain't a chance, go hold me down. Whoa. Back of the beam, man, trying to keep it. She trying to leave it, but I'm about to leave it. I don't want nobody around me, I can't trust a soul. I still got my whistle about me, keep my shit low-key low. Asking about a feature, but my shit costs like 2 kilos. Asking about your bitch, little boy, she stuck down on her knees. More money, more problems, more drugs inside my stomach. Even though I keep on running, I still end up on wanted. Miss Benzos with Cody, I feel like I be floating. I'm dying and they know it, only see what I'm showing. More money, more problems, more drugs inside my stomach. Even though I keep on running, I still end up on wanted. Miss Benzos with Cody, I feel like I be floating. I'm dying and they know it, only see what I'm showing. They don't know what I've been through to get here right now.
nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets. Came out the streets with a vision. I had to get it, I really got money, now none of it fishing. And my niggas winning, now that don't mean it ain't going back. People be starving, want you to start with them. Most people want it, don't wanna go get it. I'm never hungry, on me like 50. I'm never talking unless it's my figures. Foot on the pedal, taking the game to a whole nother level. I'm coming up so they scared of me, like tried to bury me. Came out the mud with a shovel, head on a swivel like Mayweather. I'm going up like it's Mayweather, I'm blowing up, I'm going up. My people say that they so proud of me, I'm growing up, yeah, yeah. I came out the street, that shit crazy, man. Nigga was down a year ago. A lot of people don't know my story. I'm just glad I'm here to tell it. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets. Remember them long nights, it was me and my dog. Now we taking them long flights, just me and my dog. Remember when nobody called to check on the nigga, now I'm really popping. When I hit the mall, I blow me a check on the bitches. Don't fuck with you haters, you talking best talk with your chest, little nigga. Check yourself out, put one in your chest, little nigga. They wanted to smoke, now they talk out they neck to a nigga. Gotta stay woke, they ain't catching me slipping. Never go bro, stay on my way to riches. Used to dream about the way that I'm living. Look up at the sky and thank God that I made it. Was down in the streets and came out with a saving. The money I'm craving, but I'm never changing. Down on my ass, the Lord put a pin on my hand and said this is my blessing. So I'ma keep going no matter what happens. Stay humble, can't fall into trapping. Can't give it up, I'm never tapping. Stay rid of my niggas, I'm never capping. Was locked in them chains, now I'm finally free. I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, whoa, I be so exhausted, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted, pour four and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it, got it all like this my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way, shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me, I told her who are you, ayy. I ain't with that lame shit since I took at your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA I'm wasted, lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit, I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you, I be so exhausted, I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about tomorrow, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you, I be so exhausted,
I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me westin'. You started something, but learned still you was testing. I could've got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression. I call my Mac 11, walk on my till egregious. I pull up to my elementary, that's all my teachers who said I should never be a dreamer. Well, now I'm doing something and you not. Past to be a believer. They say more money, more checks create the problem. You wouldn't have a problem if you off the ones that start them. How you talking down to me, but you was at the bottom. I was watching your career fall autumn. Don't talk a lot, cause I'm a man on a mission. If I'm the best, they can be competition. Clean the business up, watch how it glisten. No we the ghosts, if you would just listen. My circle smaller like the one in your chest. You come for one of us, then 9 more come straight at your neck. We can argue and bick up, but in war we gon' connect. I be shooting at your temple like we was some mass text. Big chain, go rope, no I'm down 10 toes. Got me all the same zoo, no this ain't no pinto. I start lucky, the best come back with my dough. But soon you see the light, it gon' be what my nightmare. I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me westin'. Just started something, but learned still you was testing. I could've got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.
But like damn, pull away that shopper, get your man, Tell a nigga hatin' cause you know that he a fan, If he so hop up on the beat, that shit they go bananas. No, I got it on my own, yeah, I ain't take no handouts. Yeah, why you leaving me? 6 rings, man, I bought like 23. Open up your eyes, girl, and tell me what you see. You didn't wanna fuck with me, but you on your knees. I be doing all this shit, don't need no sleep. I be gunning, it's like 7 days a week. Hit after hit, man, I come in with that heat. Bulletsy on the coat and Yeezy on the feet. I can't really follow with you labels. They just want the money, that's the way it goes. Yeah, you really wanna smoke, I got that Draco. No, I gotta wait and let that thing blow.
Put a sprain with it at, move too fast to hit your noggin. In the same sudden motion, you heard me, your head was bobbing. Way I pull the trigger, think my gun command me like it's popping. I pulled off from the tree, maybe that's why I'm running. To the core, hit the corner store. $1 Arizona's what I used to drink before. But now I'm making hits and music them galore. So now you wanna hate inside, it's like the Cold War. It's a height now, neck full of ice now. Daddy penitentiary was dreaming about his life now. Pull up on me lights out, hating how you like now. Only 14, making bangers got you like how. I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me westin'. You started something, but learned still you was testing. I could've got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.
She all about the cloud, real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, 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 real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, cloud, hey, cloud. Hold up, I got a chip on my shoulder. See this chick gone, know her, but she all up in my DM. Hold up, shit. I don't really know you, no, but I know your kind. You got a scheme like Ponzo. Venom hits fast, she a snake like that, though. Then you lay down flat, ho. I might be joking, but I'm trying for real. She already read inside my head and now she going for the kill. I'll be all about the love, but her leash won't stop. And I'm all about my shit, but the top got me stuck. Now she tripping this facts, man. She took her the fake fans. She goes to me hard now, might as well call me Pac-Man. Okay, now we taking it all back, cause I never gave a fuck, just enough to make it track. She all about the cloud, real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, 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 real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, cloud, cloud. She all about the cloud, like I don't get wild, oh. Ain't about the money, she dopamine high, though. She will kill a puppy if that will make her viral. And she want it all without knowing her mind spinning like a spiral. Living in vain, she love the pain, she my nemesis. Sip of the glass, trying to forget, let me take a piss. Like that, trick got game, but it's rotten like Michael. Seat back lane too fast for a snapshot. Perfect pick frame, but she living at her dad's loft. Priorities, fucked up indeed. She creeping, we flee, she sting like a bee. What? Yeah, I got you figured out, fuck that. Don't wanna tip that, what? Yeah, that's French, bitch, UPS, FedEx, packet, then she all about the cloud, real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, 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 real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, cloud, cloud.
Niggas tell me what I finished, yeah.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a miss. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought they friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary Jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T, I might throw on the Pradas. I stay fly and I do what I wanna. Who the Prince of Flatbush? I'm the king of my hood. Now let's see how that look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But nigga, don't forget who was down for you. Most these bitches was clowning you. Switch on me, I never lied to you. Now you pull up, I got rounds for you. Yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a miss. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was